So I extended my mini-Mills' Z-axis for more headroom. Great, but now when I try to lower the head all the way down to the table, it just stops. Hard. Turns out the gas strut hit its limit, so I'm stuck. Either lose all that lower travel or replace a strut again. I often work on flat plates, too wide to stand up in the vise. Try to mill them like this and the cutter grabs, the plate shatters, or worse, it comes loose. So the only safe option is to clamp the work flat to the table and use the x-axis for cuts. But for that to work, the head needs to come right down. And that's where the gas strut bottoms out. Sure, I could just pop it out, but now the head is heavy, unstable, dangerous to position. I have just upgraded to this gas spring, so I wasn't exactly thrilled to replace it. But hey, if it's worth doing, it's worth doing properly. So I bit the bullet and got a longer gas strut. More travel, same force. But now the top mounting has to move way up, which means a new bracket. I made a taller bracket with multiple mounting holes, so I can fine-tune the height to match the strut's full travel. Now I can fully lower the head to the table. And still lift it all the way up when I need clearance for tool changes or when using the rotary table. Here's how I made it. I started with a 10mm mild steel plate and cut off a strip with an angle grinder. Then I squared it up on the mill, sides first to exactly 24mm to match the original bracket. I faced both ends . And added small chamfers on the corners just to avoid sharp edges. Next, I drilled a row of 8mm holes spaced 15mm apart to give me fine adjustment when mounting. I countersunk them so the Allen bolts sit flush. No risk of snagging or interference. Finally, I drilled 2 holes at the top to mount the original gas strut bracket. And that's it. Strong, simple, adjustable. Now there it travels the entire height of the column from top to table. And I can use even short tooling like a face mold, right on the table. No need to remove the gas strut. Check out the next idea by clicking the link on screen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.